Today, we're going to explore the amazing ways that Google makes travel a breeze. Whether you're planning a trip or exploring a new place, Google has some fantastic tools to help you every step of the way. So let's jump into the world of travel with Google. No, I'm not sponsored in any way by Google. I'm simply sharing one of my favorite free travel tools with you. First up, we have Google Maps, your trusty guide to the world. Imagine you're in a new city and you're not sure where to go. That's where Google Maps comes in. It helps you find your way by telling you your next step, turn, or which bus or subway stop to use. Google Maps also helps you discover cool places and even avoid traffic. You can explore streets with something called Street View, like a virtual tour before you even get there. It's like having a magic map that knows everything. Now let's talk about Google Flights. Planning a trip can be confusing, right? Google Flights is like your personal helper for finding the best flights. It looks at lots of airlines and shows you all the options in one place. You can check different dates, track prices, and pick the flight that suits you best. It's like having a travel agent that helps you find the perfect flight. When it's time to rest, Google's hotel search comes to the rescue. Imagine searching for a hotel and having all the info in one spot. That's what hotel search does. It gathers details from different places, like prices, locations, and amenities. With filters, you can pick the perfect place to stay. It's like having a hotel genie that grants your wishes. I like to start with the Google Hotel search to narrow choices, then check for best prices on the hotel's website. Now let's talk about language magic with live translation. Ever been in a place where people speak a different language? It can be tricky, but Google's live translation is like having a language wizard. It helps you understand and talk to people in different languages. Some of the best new cell phones are even rolling out their own similar AI-powered live translation tools. So, if you're in a new country, looking at a sign, menu, ordering food, or asking for directions becomes a piece of cake. Speaking of food, Google's got you covered there too with restaurant searches. Imagine you're in an unfamiliar town and your stomach is growling. Google's restaurant searches help you find the best places to eat. You can read reviews, see ratings, and check out photos. It's like having a food encyclopedia that guides you to the tastiest spots. And here's the grand finale, map integrations. Google integrates maps into everything, making your journey super visual. Whether you're planning a route, exploring a new city, or finding attractions nearby, the map is your visual guide. It's like having a magical map that shows you the way to your next adventure. Google is like your travel sidekick, making every journey smoother and more fun. From the precision of Google Maps to the convenience of flights, hotel search, restaurant searches, live translation, and integrated maps, Google takes the hassle out of travel. What Google feature is most helpful to you when you travel? Did I miss something? Drop a comment below and share your knowledge with fellow travelers. The next time you're exploring, remember that with Google, your travel experience is not just a trip, it's an adventure made simple. If you found this video helpful, please click the thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more money-saving travel tips, tricks, and hacks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.